Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation, or in short BIMSTEC, is a regional multilateral organization. Its members lie in the littoral and adjacent areas of the Bay of Bengal, indicating a contiguous regional unity. India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Thailand, the member countries of BIMSTEC, bring together 1.5 billion people, which is almost 21% of the world population, and a combined GDP of US $2.5 trillion. BIMSTEC not only connects South and Southeast Asia but also the ecologies of the Great Himalayas and the Bay of Bengal. It mainly aims to create an enabling environment for rapid economic development and accelerate social progress, promote collaboration on matters of common interest in the region. Now let's understand the genesis of BIMSTEC. This sub-regional organization was formed in 1997 under the Bangkok Declaration. Initially, it was formed with 4 member states: Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka and Thailand Economic Cooperation, also known as BISTEC. Myanmar was admitted in December 1997 and thus the organization was renamed BIMSTEC. The grouping expanded when Nepal and Bhutan were admitted in February 2004. Currently, the BIMSTEC is involved in 15 sectors including trade, technology, agriculture, tourism, fisheries, energy and climate change, among others, for sectoral cooperation. BIMSTEC acts as a platform for intra-regional cooperation between SAARC and Asian members and has an important connectivity projects such as Kaladan Multimodal Project that links India and Myanmar, Asian Trilateral Highway connecting India and Thailand through Myanmar, and Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal Motor Vehicles Agreement for seamless flow of passenger and cargo traffic. Another is the BIMSTEC Grid Interconnection signed during the BIMSTEC Summit in Kathmandu, Nepal in 2018, which aims to promote an optimal power transmission in the BIMSTEC region. What significance does BIMSTEC hold for India? Well, it allows India to pursue its 3 core policies, that is neighborhood first, primacy to the country's immediate periphery. It also resonates with India's Act East policy that intends to connect India with Southeast Asia. Most importantly, BIMSTEC fulfills the purpose of economic development of India's northeastern states by linking them to the Bay of Bengal region via Bangladesh and Myanmar. Other than that, it provides a separate platform for India to engage with its neighbors that are already part of South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. In April this year, India participated in the 17th Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation, which is BIMSTEC Ministerial Meeting. It was chaired by Sri Lanka in virtual mode. The meeting endorsed 3 MOUs or agreements relating to the Convention on Mutual Legal Assistance in Criminal Matters, cooperation between diplomatic and training academies, and establishment of BIMSTEC Technology Transfer Facility in Colombo, Sri Lanka. The meeting also highlighted the progress achieved in sectors where India is the lead country, such as counter-terrorism and transnational crime, transport and communication, tourism, environmental and disaster management, including other activities. To conclude, BIMSTEC acts as a bridge between South and Southeast Asia, representing a reinforcement of relations among these countries. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such updates on India's developing relations with the world.